Hello, everyone. A very good evening to all of you. I am Trupti, and we are here for the Navodaya coaching class. And the topic that we are going to pick up today is, let's see, in the last class, we did fraction, and I told you that in the next class, we'll be continuing with fractions only with more concepts. So let's get started. Today, we are going to do fractions, few more concepts of fractions, right? So, children, before we start, let me tell you we are going live on YouTube. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel to get regular updates. And there is a live chat option under the live video. You can also ask your questions over there, or you can answer to my questions in that chat box, right? So let's see. I'll quickly share my screen. All right, so here, let's see. In the last class, we did a bit of addition of fractions, right? And here also, we will add the fractions with the same, with the same denominator. So how to add the fractions with the same denominator? Let's see. I'm waiting for the answer. 1 by 5 plus 3 by 5. What will it be? So yeah, this is very simple. 1 by 5 plus 3 by 5. The remainder remains this the denominator remains the same, and the numerator only gets added. 3 plus 1 is 4. So 4 by 5 is what we can get here. 4 by 5 is the answer over here. So whenever you are adding the like fractions, dear children, make sure you always add the denominator. Do not always add the numerator. Do not add the denominator. Okay, while adding like fractions, add the numerator, do not add the denominator, right? 1 by 8 plus 5 by 8, as I said, add the numerators, do not add the denominator. 1 plus 5 is 6 by 8, but I can't see 6 by 8 anywhere. That means this fraction has been reduced. If I reduce this fraction, I'll get 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 is what I have got. 3 by 4. 1 by 8 plus 5 by 8 is 6 by 8. Whereas I will reduce this fraction and will get 3 by 4. 7 by 18 plus 5 by 18. Okay, so 7 plus 5 is 12, 12 by 18. And if you reduce it, you will get 2 by 3, because 2 times 6 is 12 and 3 times 6 is 18. So 2 by 3 is what you have got. Next one, 17 by 10 plus 15 by 10. So it is 32 by 100. No, it's 32 by 10 only. Wait a second. Yeah, it's 32 by 10 only. That's what you can see here. So 32 by 10 is further, like, you can reduce this and you will also get 16 by 5. 16 by 5 also is the right answer here. All right. Let's study the addition of fractions if the denominators are different. There, the fractions were like. But now let's talk about the unlike fractions. how to add unlike fractions. So to add unlike fractions, it's like 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. You cannot add or subtract the fractions until and unless they are like. So to add the fractions, first you need to make them like. And how we can make them like is, look, by making the denominator same, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. I will multiply the denominator of this fraction. I'll multiply this fraction with the denominator of this fraction and multiplying the second fraction with the denominator of the first fraction. So 1 by 2 times 3. Numerator and denominator both are getting multiplied by 3. Okay. Then 1 by 3, like numerator and denominator both being multiplied by 2, which is the denominator of first fraction. Here you got 3 by 6 and here you got 2 by 6. So 3 by 6 plus 2 by 6 is 5 by 6. When the denominator is common, means same, we just add the numerators, not the denominators. And when the denominators are not same, you need to make them same. Then only you can add the fractions or subtract. Let's see this. What I'm trying to say is this is the first fraction. This is the second fraction. First fraction will be entirely multiplied by the denominator of the second fraction. Okay, first fraction will be multiplied by the denominator of second fraction, which is 4. And second fraction will be multiplied by the denominator of the first fraction. Okay, so 2 4s are 8, 3 4s are 12, 1 3s are 3, 4 3s are 12. See, the denominator is same now. It's 11 by 12. That is the answer. Is that clear to all? We just need to make the denominator same so that you can add the fractions. And how can you do that? By multiplying the denominator, like by multiplying the first fraction with the denominator of the second fraction and multiplying the second fraction with the denominator of the first fraction. All right. That's how we do it. Okay. Now, let's see this. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4. I'm multiplying this by C. Either or there is another way. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4. I have to make the denominator as 4 because I know that 4 is divisible by 2. So I will make the denominator as 4 and I'm not changing this. That's how also you can do it. Right? Okay. Now, moving on to the next one. Here we have a test. 3 by 4 plus 1 by 5. What will it be? 3 by 4 plus 1 by 5. All right. So here 3 by 4 plus 1 by 5. So I have made the denominator same by multiplying the denominator of the first fraction with the second and second fraction with the first. Here I got 15 by 20 plus 4 by 20, which is 15 plus 4, 19 by 20. But children, here I want to tell you, I want to give you an idea of subtraction also. We can subtract the fraction also by the same thing. I will show you. Okay, so the question was this. One second. All right. Same fraction, but this time you're not supposed to add, you're supposed to subtract. Okay? I want you to subtract this. Same fraction, but subtraction this time. Okay, look. This, but I'm removing this standing line from the sign. It is subtraction. Okay? You have to subtract. 3 by 4 minus 1 by 5. How to do this? Very, very simple. Very simple, very easy, just the same way. Look, 3 by 4, 1 by 5, I'll make the denominator same, okay? Like the other way, you have to multiply the denominator of the second fraction with the first fraction over here, like 5, 5, 4, 4. 3 times 5 is 15, 4 times 5 is 20, minus 1 times 4 is 4, 5 times 4 is 20, 15 minus 4 is 11 by 20. So subtraction is also similar to addition. Just the signs are changed, nothing else. Right? Sometimes the resultant fraction can be further simplified to get simple fraction, like whatever answer you have got, right? So 1 by 12 plus 3 by 4, we will make the denominator same, right? We got here 10 by 12. We can also reduce the fraction, or you have to reduce the fraction. 10 by 12, I see both of the numbers in the table of 2. Here I got 5 by 6. The answer is 5 by 6. Either you can do this way or that way. Both ways are correct. Now we will see multiplication of fractions, which is like, it's the easiest to do in fractions. To multiply the fractions, you just need to multiply the numerator with the numerator, denominator with the denominator. That's it. So 1 by 6 times 3 by 4. First, you have to do 1 times 3, 6 times 4. Need to multiply numerators and write in the numerator. Need to multiply the denominators and write the denominators in the denominator and then simplify. 1 times 3 is 3, 6 times 4 is 24. So basically, I have split down this, 6 into 2 times 3. Else 3 by 24. You can also like reduce this fraction. It will give you 1 by 8. Okay, so this is the easiest. Multiply the numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. All right. Okay, 2 by 5 times 3 by 14. 2 by 5 times 3 by 14. How to do it? 2 times 3, 5 times 14. Let's do it. You can either split it here or later on you can do it. Okay, right now. So over here, 2 cancel by 2, 3 by 35. And this cannot be further reduced, so that will be the only answer. All right. That's how you can do it. So multiplication is the easiest in fractions, I must say. All right. So let's practice a few more questions related to multiplication. 13 by 10 times 3 by 5. 13 by 10 times 3 by 5. The children who have joined, I'm really happy to see them. And they are also giving the answers in the chat box. Children, if you have any doubts, please let me know. Tell me what question was your doubt or why it is your doubt. Let me know everything. I'll help you. Okay, so here we have the question 13 by 10 times 3 by 5. 13 times 3, 39. 10 times 5, 50. 39 by 50 is what we have got. 7 by 12 times 3 by 4. If you think that you can, cancel it here only, that is also correct. 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 4 is 12. 7 by 16 is the answer here. Easy, super easy. Easier than addition, subtraction, multiplication. All right. So let's do the next one over here. Already done this. Let's see division. How do we divide fractions? So actually, there is no division in fractions. Now, you must be thinking, what? How can there be no division in fractions? Yes, dear children, there is no division in fractions. Like, obviously, you are dividing, but ultimately, you have to multiply that. Later on, you will realize, oh, it's multiplication. It's not even division, it's multiplication. But no, that is division. I'll show you how. There are 3 steps that you need to remember. Okay, it's 1 by 6 divided by 3 by 4. First step is keep. Second step is change. And third step is flip. Keep, change, flip. KCF. It's not KFC, it's KCF. Okay, KCF. Now flip here, I'll tell you what is that. Reciprocal is the word basically. Reciprocal means, see, we write the fraction like this, numerator up, denominator down. When I ask you to do the reciprocal or inverse of that fraction, it means numerator will be at the place of denominator and denominator will be at the place of numerator. If the fraction here, let's say, is 3 by 4, I have to find the reciprocal of the fraction. It will be written as 4 by 3. That is called as the reciprocal. 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 Okay? Right? Okay, somebody has already given the answer. That's great. So let's check. Keep means the first fraction will be kept like that only. The first fraction is 1 by 6. I'll write 1 by 6. Division sign will change into the sign of multiplication. That is what it means by change. Flip is the reciprocal. Reciprocal of the second fraction, 3 by 4, will be written as 4 by 3 because we are doing the reciprocal. So now it is 1 by 6 times 4 by 3. It is 4 by 18. We can further simplify this fraction. 2 by 9 is the answer. 2 by 9 is the answer. Okay. 1 by 6 will be written as it is. Change is that division sign will change into multiplication sign. 3 by 4 will be written as 4 by 3. So 1 times 4 is 4. 6 times 3 is 18. 4 by 18 divided by 2 divided by 2. Like numerator, see, division you are saying. You must be thinking division is happening here. Then why did you say that division is not there? So dear children, I am dividing a number, not a fraction here. Okay. So that's how it goes. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 18 divided by 2 is 9. So the answer is 2 by 9. I hope it is clear to you. I made it clear to you. We just need to write the reciprocal of the divisor and multiply. Yep. That's what we have done here. 2 by 9 is the answer. Next, 2 by 5 divided by 10 by 11. How to do it? 2 by 5 divided by 10 by 11. Let's do it fast. All right. So I'll keep the fraction. Change, I'll change it into multiplication sign. Flip means reciprocal 11 by 10. 2 11s are 22, 5 10s are 50. I can further reduce this fraction. I see both the numbers in 2 times table. It is 11 by 25. Yeah? Have you got the same? If yes, that means you're correct. Yay, that's great. Let me give you one more question to confirm that you have understood that. Okay? All right. So here we go. It's a test. Revision. Come on. Keep, change, flip. No KFC, only KCF. Keep, change, flip. Come on, come on. All right. So, keeping it there. 7 by 12. Changing it to multiplication. Flipping it like 4 by 3. 28. 36. Or you can cancel it here only. Like 4 threes are 12. Yeah, so 7 by 9. If you reduce this here also, then also it will give you the same answer. Like I can see 4. Yeah, 7 by 9. All right. So that's how you do it. One last question, dear children. So that was the same. I'll erase it. All right. So here, 5 by 8 divided by 7 by 6. Again, super easy. 5 by 8 divided by 7 by 6 will be like 5 by 8. And then the reciprocal sign change, reciprocal 7 by 6 will be written as 6 by 7. That's what we have done. 5 by 8, 6 by 7. So 5 times 6, 8 times 7. This will give you 15 by 28. The answer is 15 by 28. And with this, children, we are done with our today's class. Thank you so much for paying attention and joining the class. I hope you all are practicing. If not, then please start practicing, right? And please share this video as much as you can, like with your friends, so that they can also take full benefit from these free coaching classes. Also ask them to subscribe the channel so that they can also get the regular updates. So yeah, with this, we'll end this session. Thank you so much for joining once again. Bye-bye. Have a good day.